Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Today's video is especially exciting because it is Valentine's Day. You can see I am in my cozy pajamas, and I'm going to take you in and show you how I got set up for this party, show you all the decorations and where you can get them if you want to have your own Valentine's Day party. I'm going to show you what we end up doing tonight, the different games we play. We are going to be doing a gift exchange, so there are a lot of fun things ahead. Alright guys, come with me and I'll show you all the fun Valentine's Day festivities. Jumping right in because I have so much work to get done. I started by cleaning the house, and I did rearrange my living room because I thought that this layout would be a lot better for the party. What I decided to do was have a picnic style table running down the middle of the living room, and I really like how that flowed. I ended up stacking 2 tables on top of each other just to give it some more height. I did put 2 towels in between the tables so that they wouldn't slip around, and that seemed to work well. Whenever hosting a party, I always try and use things that I already had on hand. For instance, Kenzie's first birthday a few years ago, we had a lot of party supplies, so there was a lot of things left over that I was able to incorporate into this party. For instance, the pink tulle skirt that we wrapped around the food table was from Kenzie's first birthday, so it was nice to use that again, and I'm sure I'll be able to use that for years to come with Kenzie's other birthday parties. Next up, I want to talk about balloons, and what's a party without balloons? I feel like they're such an easy way to decorate, also super inexpensive. All of the balloons I used for my party were from a company called Party 8. They are an Etsy shop, and they also have an online store as well. I got so many cute balloons from them. They have the lettered balloons, so I got a bunch of different sayings. I got XOXO, no boys allowed, girl gang, besties, Valentine's Day, and I love these because they are self-inflatable. All you do is stick a straw in one of them and blow it up. I felt like my lungs almost collapsed after blowing up all of these by myself, but they are super cute. I loved all of the balloons. They have a ton of heart balloons. They have the confetti balloons with glitter inside. They did reach out and give you guys a coupon code, so I will leave that in my description box as well as on the screen here. There will be a link in case you guys are needing some good party decorations. I also saw a great tip on their website, which was a way to hang balloons without having helium in them. All you do is put a piece of tape on top of the balloon and then tie the ribbon under it and then just stick it on top of your ceiling. They hang perfectly, and I love the way they turned out. Next up, I want to talk about party favors. You can make this so inexpensive. I, of course, went to the Dollar Tree. What I did was add some cards into each of their favor bags. These adorable socks. There are so many different designs at the Dollar Tree. Heart necklaces, and then their party favor bags were from Target Dollar Spot. And then my favorite find ever was these rosé all-day glasses. Those are at the Dollar Tree. I was so shocked when I saw them. I thought these would be perfect for not only us to have drinks all night, but they could also take them home at the end of the night. Party favors are in no way necessary, so if you don't want to have party favors, another suggestion is to have a gift exchange with your girlfriends. We ended up doing a gift exchange for $10 or under, and I got a Starbucks gift card and called it a day. You can keep it simple and sweet and still make it great. I got almost all of my party decorations from the Dollar Tree or Target Dollar Spot. So whenever you guys are hosting a party, check those places out first because you would be really surprised with how awesome their selection has gotten.
It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. Won't do you good 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me.
For the main dining table, I put a white tablecloth over it and then a piece of chiffon fabric down the middle as a runner. I got the gold chargers from the Dollar Tree and of course the candle holders and the candlestick. So everything basically was from the Dollar Tree except the plates. Those were my mom's that I borrowed. And the flowers were actually from Kenzie's birthday party, so I was able to reuse those and spread them out. I always suggest using candlelight as much as you can because I just feel like it really makes the space feel so much more elegant.
I'm feeling down, so can you be my cure? Say, can I get your
For the dessert table, I wanted it to look really pink and girly, and I think that's exactly how it turned out. I did end up getting way too many desserts because there was a lot left over. So if you don't want sweets lying around your house, make sure you take that into account. But I got all of the desserts, I think, from Walmart.
I get tired just thinking about you. Waste too much time with you on my mind. I just wanna call you. Please stay on.
Next, I want to touch on food and drinks. For my letterboard quote, I thought this was perfect for the food table. Can anyone guess where that's from? Leave a comment if you know. This was a potluck styled party, which I think is so easy. That way it's not all on you. So everyone brought something. I decided to make a charcuterie board and cinnamon waffles. And then for drinks, anyone could bring whatever they wanted. I decided to have a champagne mimosa bar. So there was different juices, champagne, wines, and I love how it turned out, especially with those cute Dollar Tree rosé mugs. It was definitely a hit.
Promise I won't bother. Let it take a rest till like I don't know yet. Baby, just say yes. Can I get your number?
It was just about time for everyone to arrive, so I got all my candles lit in the entryway and upstairs. I wanted it to feel very romantic when everyone walked in. I also put on the movie Valentine's Day just so it could give it that extra Valentine's Day feel and make it feel like a girl slumber party.
Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to
Once everyone got settled in, we mingled for a little bit, had some drinks together, and then I set out all of the food that they brought, and honestly, we had so much good food. We had delicious yogurt parfaits, we had a sausage and egg casserole, croissants, waffles, muffins. It was a lot of food, but it was amazing. It was such a fun night. It was really good to get all my girls together and just laugh, let the stresses of life kind of fade away for a little bit. We ended up playing a few games. This one for the girls, it's an adult party game. I honestly felt a little too old for this game, so if you are in your early 20s, this would be perfect for you. It does have a lot of truth or dare, would you rather, most likely to. And next we played our gift exchange. I'm really happy we did this. It was just a lot of fun, and I love that everyone gets to go home with something. And I won the Starbucks coffee cup, which I'd been wanting this one for a minute, so it was really fun to win that. I really encourage you all to have a party of your own. It doesn't necessarily have to be Valentine's Day, just to relax and unwind with your girlfriends. It's such a fun thing to do. What did you guys think? I hope you liked it. It was seriously such a fun night. I loved spending time with my girlfriends. These type of parties are so fun, and I'm really glad I got to host it this year. I hope you enjoyed seeing how it all came together. Of course, if you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. All of the things I used in the decor are super affordable, so hopefully it'll give you some inspiration to have your own Valentine's Day party, or just Valentine's Day party, whatever kind of party you want to throw to celebrate love, celebrate your friends, celebrate family, whatever it may be. I hope it gave you some inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.